What's up, guys? Good morning. 9:15. Okay, let's get to work real quick. Good morning, y'all. So let's do some charting real quick. You got support level here. We're at some type of resistance right here. Dissect the market real quick. So we got price bouncing here, 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 until it finally broke. Until it finally broke. Let me see. Right there. And then again, came here, hard rejection, and then we're trying to break above it, but we're at an area of resistance right there. Morning, Jesse. Good morning, Jerry. I'm just doing some charting real quick. So we got an area of resistance right here. One, two. Um, here, 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 right there, and then currently today. And then we're around that today. So let me go to the 5 minute. You can magnify it, obviously. Area of interest right there. What's up, gamer? So that's why we're ranging sideways. You see that right here? We're just ranging sideways. Is because we reached this area for like what, the third time? So that's why we're ranging. So as I always say, always trying to figure out where you are in your charts. Currently I mean, we're making higher highs and higher lows until we break that. We are uptrending until we're not. So we're in a tight range coming up. And if we break down here, then obviously that small uptrend will go back to a downtrend. So it's always good to do some charting. Always good to do some charting. So I got everything set up. As usual, not trying to be in the market for too long at all. Just trying to get in, get out, literally just one trade. Just a one trade type of person. If I can amount my trading to one trade a day and be green every day, that would be amazing. Well, so far it's been happening, but if I can get one trade a day and be green I am completely okay with that. I'm okay with that. So, I mean, clearly you can see, so you're not caught up in chop. You can see the MACD right here, chopping around in neutral. Histogram, very small. Look at RSI, chopping around. Look at the price action, just ranging. So that's how you can identify chop easy, multiple ways. If you go to let's look at the EMAs. EMAs, very important. If you look at the EMAs like this, spaghetti strapped, identifying chop. So right now we're in a choppy price range. So we've identified chop. We've identified that we're uptrending. We're above the 200 on the 5. We are at an area of resistance. So even if price pops, I don't expect it to go too far. Maybe from here to a level, that's fine. Or if it comes down, breaking through here, breaking that 200, you can target around that level. Just be in and out. Target at 1.5, 2 to 1. Nothing too crazy. Go to the 15-minute, uptrending. So far, where the bias is bullish. You go on the 30, pretty sure we're above the 200. Um, we're not, but that's okay. We trade the smaller time frames. So today is Wednesday, and we have no data. We have consumer credit at 3, but nobody cares about that. So for now we wait. We got price moving a bit, but I am not going to take a position yet. Let me see. What is the ATR looking like? It's where the ATR is. Okay. Okay. So, and that's how you dissect the chart. Um, Doing charting, it's like its own language. Once you know it, you can kind of see, in a sense, where price is going. In a sense, not really, because I mean, not everything is so clear trading. You can only do interpretations of where price might be heading. So we'll wait for market open, even though we are bullish. We'll see. And as always, MYM, the Dow Jones, always has a repeating pattern in the morning for price action to pop. If you come over here yesterday, price action popped. It's always making big swings. Um, Market open, died down, but it got caught on support, and then immediately it popped. It does a repeating pattern. So once you're comfortable with the ticker that you're trading, it's easier to trade. So we'll wait. We'll wait to see how it looks. If I can get this band right here to get a little bit thicker, RSI to pull up a little bit more, MACD to pull up a little bit more, then I'll give you more confidence to enter this play. We are above XL. Anything above XL means bullish. We are above the 200. So you have multiple factors in your favor, and all you can do is just shoot your shot. That's all you can do. All these same concepts that I'm talking about apply for any ticker. It doesn't matter what you're trading. Could be MES, could be MNQ, could be M2K, could be gold, could be oil. Everything that I'm doing, you can use it on any ticker. What's up, Mark? Good morning. We're waiting for the Dow Jones to show its hand so we can get our one and done play and be out of here. What's up, Moto? I'm going to try MYM this morning. You've inspired me. Good. I like playing MYM. It's like I say, it's a medium MNQ. MNQ is spicy. MYM is medium. It has a little kick to it. It could run and pop, but the candles aren't ridiculously massive. They're like half the size of MNQ. So that's why, um, a couple weeks ago I was playing MNQ. Then I realized I need a bigger port for MNQ. So the next best thing is the Dow Jones. So that's why I've been trading it these past days because I'm comfortable with the way it moves and it moves fast and I can get in and out really quick. So 926, we're still holding above that ribbon. And I'm not really scared to take a position before market open. I'm not really scared because our bias is still long. You play it, yeah. MYM plays really smooth. Damn, you over here making a couple hundred on MYM? Jeez. You're banking on them, you banked on MYM more than me. So we got 3 minutes till market open. I could take a position now and ride that pop, but I don't like that it's stuck in a range. I kind of don't like that. So we're gonna wait. You got lucky on the big drop. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. I guess it did drop big yesterday. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. So let's see if the repeating pattern on MYM happens. If it pops. MES also looks good, but I don't like to trade pre-market. There's nothing wrong with pre-market. There's plenty of volatility in pre-market. Lots of people trade pre-market. So it's not too bad. But if you want to stay disciplined, you can trade within a certain time frame, and in that time window, that's all you do. You only trade that time window. RSI looks flat too. Yeah, probably. Usually all these indexes follow each other in some sort of way. Some sort of way. So look at that. One, two, three, four. Price, I guess five. Price refused to break past right here, especially on these four candles. Look at these four candles. They perfectly align each other. So obviously we're at an area of resistance right here. What's up, DC fan? Let me go short. And we got market open. Ring a ding ding. Ring a ding ding. Let's see what MYM does. So we broke trends and we're coming on down. We just hit a level. We hit the 200. Let's see what happens here. We're bearish already. So I'm gonna, and that was it. That was fast, right? One and done. I couldn't even see how much I made. That was fast. That could be a short stream right there. Just get my one and done. Damn, I only have one position though. Usually I have two. We're still very bearish. I mean, I can jump on this shit again. In and out MES. Nice. So this is what I mean about the repeating pattern that MYM does. It just every single, I mean, I guess you could say that about any other market open, but you know, fastest trade ever. I know, right? Fastest trade ever. For real. Like, I had one micro. I played two or three. I forgot to click the next one, but whatever. A win's a win, right? A win's a win. But I'm comfortable with how MYM moves, and I can identify the repeating pattern that it does. I can absolutely identify that. So we're getting caught here on that level. We're getting bought back up. So I don't know. Let me see. Let me debate on what I want to do. I can just be one and done and fucking kill stream right now. I don't have to fucking go. I can just keep on that samurai discipline. Wow. Yeah, I was in my play for like 35 seconds. Yeah. Um, I mean, are you comfortable doing that, gamer? I don't know. Do you ever trade like that? You don't like to play market open? Yeah. I don't think you should do that again, to be honest. I really don't. I don't think you should do it again. Me, on the other hand, I'll do it. Um, because I have the experience to do it. I mean, I understand how this shit be moving. So we're pretty fucking bearish. We're pretty bearish. But I don't like this ginormous fucking wick. So this can definitely switch back to bull. We do, oh, well, super trend did turn red, and we're still bearish. Yeah, I went short. I went short. And the trade lasted like 1 second. I could, it was so fast you couldn't even see it. It was so fast you couldn't even fucking see that shit. So, I mean, my indicators, they're very, very, very bearish. Let me see, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Yeah, I can hang out and try to go short again, but price is acting a little weird. Let me see. So, let me see here. I'm trying to time it correctly because it really is about timing. There is a level right there. We're still very bearish. Eh, so okay. Lots of volatility. That's okay, small loss. So the market is swinging really, really fast. So I took a tiny, tiny loss. I took a very small loss. We're still, I mean, we're still very short. Um, I am gonna give it some breathing room. We're gonna we're gonna put our stop close to XL right there. I think that's enough. And see if we can get a 1.2 and we'll just leave it like that. We're gonna leave it like that. So yeah, I mean we're still pretty bearish. I think I gave it enough breathing room. I think so. So if it gets stopped, that's fine. Okay. Well, that's 3 trades, and we're gonna stop right there. Took a small lot. I won the first one, but that was on a micro. I was supposed to do two. Second one got stopped out quick. Here, the indicators were still bearish, but there's strong market swings. So either way, MES is taking off now. We'll see. I'm down $60, so I'm not down too crazy. Did three trades here, so we're gonna hold on. You know, I'm not gonna do the mistakes that I did. What was it, last week or 2 weeks ago? Where I didn't wait for the appropriate amount of time. So this time, I'm right here. I'm at a point where I'm gonna just give it some time and see if it want to come back up. Obviously, we have two big ass wicks, so buying pressure is to the upside. So we'll see. What's MES doing? Yeah, MES is definitely popping off now. Let's go back to our handy dandy Dow Jones. I mean, we are still bearish. Super trend is still red. Indicators are still red. It could just be a pullback to continue down. Yeah, I took 3 trades. So this play does look, it still looks weak. I'm gonna give it a minute or two before I enter again. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you need some experience to navigate through market volatility. So okay, we have YM popping off. Yeah. Uh, just bear with me. I'm watching this thing like a hawk. It's losing its strength to the downside for now. It broke below trend and it's trying to come back up. It's getting rejected by Excel. So we're gonna hold on and see what's up. Yeah, MYM is waking like crazy. That's why I have to wait for I'm waiting for the perfect opportunity to enter. It wants to pop back up really bad. It wants to go back into trend. So we got price crossing XL, MACD's weak. So if I do enter a long position, we do have super trend right there, but I'm not gonna target that at all. I want to try to target a little bit higher up there. There's a low right there. Pre-market high. We got some strength. So far so good. It's switching back to bullish. We're above XL. RSI is trying to cross 50, and we have MACD histogram pink. Just waiting for this play to develop to enter one more time for one last trade. Do one more trade and be done. See, and this is the part where I like to emphasize where, I could have been one and done here, but because I made a mistake of not checking how much my order, how many contracts I put, I wasn't satisfied with the results that I wanted. So I tried to go for more, and then it ended up me being in the red. So this is a great lesson for everybody. Be like, whatever the market gives you, just go ahead and fucking take it. So now we're gonna wait for this to develop. Tried to break trend, it couldn't. Now it's coming back up. And we have an obvious area of resistance right there. That's fine. You take the winner, bro. Take the winner. So we're getting some price strength here. ATR is all the way down there. So we already have rejection right there. One, two, three, four. Four candles rejected that range right there. And we have the fifth one rejecting right off, trying to break past it. Can it do it? It probably is trying to. So let me see what we got. Man, MYM is a wild boy today. MYM is a wild boy today. This is a perfect example for you guys how to navigate a crazy ass fucking swing of a ticker. Obviously, it got rejected up here. Look at that right there. One, two, three, four, five, six. It's getting rejected right there. Does not want to come back. So we got rejected. Do I want to enter short? I do not yet. I do not want to enter short yet. I still want to wait. Market volatility is insane right now. Insane. But yeah, full disclosure, it's my last trade, so I better make it count. I better pick the correct direction. I better pick the correct direction. So if we can break this right here, it's definitely gonna come up. How come you don't trade MES MNQ? Is the Dow better in your opinion? No, it's not better. I'm just um well, the Dow trading the Dow is better than MES. It's faster. It moves a lot more smoother, just not right now. Usually it moves a lot more smoother. As far as M and Q you need a bigger port. And the Dow Jones is a mini MNQ, medium-sized MNQ. David, wait for a new trade design. Are you waiting for a new trade design, or you're telling me? Because I mean, I don't wait for trade designs, not anymore. I can trade without Titan now. I trained myself to trade without Titan. It's cool to have it for reference, but I don't need it anymore. I view Titan as like training wheels. Eventually, you're gonna have to rip off those training wheels. Yeah, because I make my own trade designs based on ATR, the move of the candles, and so many other factors. So market's still holding up. That band is still green. It has not flipped to red. So we're just chopping. Trying to break here. Trying to break right there. How about you guys? Have you traded anything yet? I know Gamer did on MES. So MES and M&Q took off. Okay, so that gives me some confidence that MYM might follow. Trade. We're gonna have our stop loss. Have our stop loss. Where do I want it? Let's put it a little bit farther down. I think right there is good enough to have our stop loss. That's more than enough breathing room. And let's see if we can finally break that level. See if we can break that level. Top of ATR is up there. So I'm going with trend. What's a 1.5? I'll take that right there. 1.47. So 39,546. Close enough, right there. So that's going to be our trade design right there. So let's see how it reacts on super trend, because super trend's a level, and we'll see the reaction of super trend. So we got price developing. Let me cut my risk. We're already going to start cutting risk on this trade right here because we have this bullish candle. We finally broke above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles of this resistance. We finally broke above it. We having some reaction right here on super trend. And let's see how far this can run. So what's a 2 to 1? 2 to 1 is right there. Let me see if I can target a 2 to 1 because we are within trend. And when I'm doing trades with trends, I want to target a 2-to-1. And when I'm doing trades counter trend, I want to target 1-to-1, maybe 1.5, maybe. So we're going to cut some risk already. We're going to cut more risk, allowing this play to develop. We're having some sensitivity on super trend because super trend is a level, but we have price strength. Finally, we broke out of this range. The band is nice and thick. So far, so good. And this is how you do some trading, folks. This is how you do some trading. So in order for me to break even, I need to get $60 for me to break even. If I can get to 2-to-1, then I'll be above break even plus an extra trade. So that's why I'm targeting a 2-to-1. So we're just gonna cut more risk. Keep on cutting risk. We're gonna cut. I think we're gonna put our risk to XL right there. So now I'm trailing it. We broke super trends. I don't need this ATR anymore. Super trend just turned green. So far, so good. We're having some price strength. And now we're just chilling. Allowing this play to develop, allowing it to breathe. 50 bucks. I'm almost at break even. 53, 56, 57. I'm practically at break even. I'm at break even. Now I'm above break even. We're still going. We're still going. Can we go to 2-to-1? Can we go to 2-to-1? Can we go to 2-to-1? Right now I'm in profit. I'm in profit. So this play still has strength. We're above break even. So obviously we're going to put our risk above break even. Now it's a free trade. I have a decision to make. I can be in profit or I can allow the play to develop to my 2-to-1. We still have plenty of strength. So I'm going to target my 2-to-1. I'm going to try to target my 2-to-1 at least. If we can get like close to it, like right there, I'm probably cashing out. I'm just going to take. And that's how you get your money back. And that's how you get your money back. Look at that. Look at that. Come back, baby. Come back, baby. Now I'm above break even. Yeah, I could have held it to my 2-to-1. It probably is going to go to my 2-to-1, but yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. Fuck it, right? Fuck it. Look, it is going to go to my 2-to-1. It fucking basically hit that shit. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. Take a bow. Take a bow. You are watching, you guys are watching the beginnings of my come up as a little trading influencer. You guys are here for the show. And I fucking did a fucking good show for you. Thank you, Mark. Yo, E, you saw that? That was for you, buddy. That was for you. And it hit my 2-to-1. I could have, you know, waited for my 2-to-1, but that's okay. I got my money back and I'm in profit. What more do I want? What more do I want? Do I want to be greedy or do I want to be in profit? Do I want to be greedy or do I want to be in profit? I'm going to pick that I want to be in profit. I'm going to pick that I want to be in profit. And now we got the market taking off. Like I said, I could care less if the market takes off. As long as I'm in profit, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. It's good documentation of your evolution as a trader. Love to see you do well. Thank you, bro. You're letting it ride for now, still in. Oh, are you in this YM trademark? I guess I'm assuming you probably are because you said that you wanted to try it. And YM is performing beautifully for you. It went up to that level. God, I would have loved to. I would have loved to target that level. I would have loved to do it, but it's okay. I'm green. Like, don't get me wrong, guys. I still battle with my squirrel brain of I want to be green. I want to get more money. I want to get more money. I want to get more money. Don't worry. I still struggle for that. Right now, I could have gotten more if I would have targeted that level. I could have gotten a little more. But that's the trap, bro. That's the fucking trap where bro, that's the fucking trap. Like I just got my money back and I'm in profit. But then that little fucking gambler in the back of my head is like, "Oh no, you could have gotten more." And I'm like, it's like two like I got an angel and a devil, and they're fighting so hard. Like, just let it ride. Just let it ride. And I'm trying my best to just, bro, just take the profit, bro. Take the profit. What I care about is keeping my trade Zella above one. That's all I'm worrying about, bro. Um, that's the biggest struggle. Um, there's a predictor low right there. Yeah, I'm adding twice, so I'm in it with three contracts. Damn, Mark, you're ballsy, bro. Yep, take the fucking money, man. Absolutely, absolutely. And then we have a hard price rejection, and then this is what happens when you're trading. You come up, you hit the level, and you're like, oh, it's past the level, it's gonna break it, and then it sells back off, and you're like, fuck, I should have took it here, and you're like, oh no, wait, let me wait for for it to come back to level, then I'll take it, and then it, bro, literally trading. It doesn't matter what fucking indicators or yada yada or this and that. What matters is your psychology and taking the money. That's what matters. And I'm just happy to be green. I'm just happy to be green. Yeah, the trade zealot profit factor, yeah. When when the profit factor is above one, even if you're at fucking 1.1 or 1.2, you're profitable, man. You're profitable. And I'm at 1.5. So, I'm a little bit over profitable. That's all that matters to me. I know these multiple trades that I took here is gonna fuck me up on my trade zealot score, but hey, at least I'm green for the day. My trade zealot score would have been better if I would have just ended the stream here and then I got stopped out, then I got stopped out again. But then I waited, I identified what price action is doing, massive wicks to the upside, broke trend, trying to get back into trend, identified price action resistance, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven candles trying to break here. When price action came right back here, I knew for a fact, not for a fact, I was 70% sure that we're going to keep on going up because of the multiple taps that we're trying to break through, especially with MES and MNQ popping off. That's where your market intuition comes in. Above above all the indicators, my number one indicator is market intuition, and you get market intuition by putting multiple hours on the charts. You're 1.34 right now, bro. That's good. That's good, bro. If you gamer, if you each and every day. Just hyper focus on keeping above one in in the long run, you'll be profitable. In the right now, you might be like, shit, I'm not making money. But then when you zoom out and you look at your trade sale, you're like, damn, I am making money. It's like very slow, but I'm profitable. It's staying above one. And that's the whole point. It's just to stay above one. That's it. So I think TradeZilla is it's a very important tool. Very important tool. Okay. Um, yep, and then we have price rejection off of that level right there. And that's where the squirrel brain gets you. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. I'm over here dropping fucking dimes on you guys. I'm dropping absolute fucking dimes on you guys of knowledge. So I hope you're happy to learn. I hope you're happy to learn. All right, guys. I got a haircut appointment soon, and I got to go take out money in the bank so I can pay for my haircut.